everybody, I'm Miss Cindy and welcome to Time for Tales. Today we're going to be doing farm animals. First we're going to do our hello song. So I have a friend who's going to help me out with it. Just adjust it.
Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello, can you stamp your feet? Hello, hello, can you stamp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you stamp your feet?
Okay, good job everyone. Our first story today is called This is the Farmer by Nancy Tefuri. This is the farmer who kisses his wife. There he is with his wife. Who pats the dog. There's his dog. That scratches a flea. That lands on the cat. Oh no. That chases the mouse. There's the mouse. That startles the geese. That run by the donkey. There's the donkey. That kicks the fence. That opens the gate. The farmer walks through. There the farmer is walking through the gate. To milk the cow. All that so the farmer can milk the cow. The end. Okay, everybody has some little chicks that were in their bag if they picked up a bag, and we're going to do this little chick. This little chick is yellow. She's friends with the rooster. He's a handsome fellow. This little chick is purple. She spends her day running around in a circle. This little chick is brown. She is the prettiest chick I've ever seen. This little chick is blue. She lays eggs for you and me. This little chick is pink. She goes down to the pond to get a drink. All of these chicks live at the farm, out in the big red barn. Okay, very good. To the farm. Horses, donkeys, cows that moo, chickens, kittens, piglets too, fish that swim down in the pond, ducklings quacking all day long. All these animals you can see if you go to the farm with me. Okay, good job. Now we have another story we're going to read called 5 Little Chicks, also by Nancy Tefuri. 5 Little Chicks. Once there were 5 little chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Said the first little chick, "Peep, what can I eat?" And with a little squirm, spied a fat wiggly worm. There he is, the little worm that he's peeping at. Said the second little chick, "Peep, what can we eat?" And with a little shrug, found a spotted crawling bug. Beep, there's the little bug. Looks like a ladybug. Said the third little chick, "Peep, what can we eat?" And with a little sigh, saw a fuzzy butterfly. Peep, see the pretty butterfly? Said the fourth little chick, "Peep, what can we eat?" And with a little worry, spotted a plump red strawberry. Beep, there's the big plump strawberry. Said the fifth little chick, "Peep, what can we eat?" And with a little pout, saw a long shiny trout. I don't think chicks can eat trouts. But wise Mama Hen knew just what to do. Let's run to the patch and scratch, because they don't eat those foods. So all 5 little chicks went. Scratch, 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 scratch. They're all scratching there. And pecked with their mama all day in the corn patch, 'cause chicks eat corn. They don't eat trout or strawberries always. Until wise Mama Hen said, "Let's not make a peep. It's time to snuggle, cuddle, and sleep." And there she is. She's getting all her little baby chicks ready for bed. Good night, my 5 little sweets. Sleep, sleep. And they're all going to bed. Okay. Good job. We are going to do the goodbye song now. So let me get my little friend here. Okay.
Now it's time to touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes. Now it's time to touch your toes, touch them now. Can you find your nose?
Where's your nose?
Now it's time to touch your nose, touch your nose, touch your nose. Now it's time to touch your nose, touch it now. Can you find your knees?
Where's your knees?
Now it's time to touch your knees, touch your knees, touch your knees. Now it's time to touch your knees, touch them now. Can you find your shoulders?
Where's your shoulders?
Now it's time to touch your shoulders, touch your shoulders, touch your shoulders. Now it's time to touch your shoulders, touch them now. Can
say goodbye? Night.